This is a question taken from time, speed, and distance module. In this question, we will first read the question and then we will try to solve the possible solution. This is a very good conceptual question, many times asked in JEE mains and various competitive exams. So, two trains separated by 480 kilometers are approaching each other with the speed of 70 kilometer per hour and 50 kilometer per hour respectively. A bird with the speed of 100 kilometer per hour started from the front of the first train, goes to the front of the second train and comes back to the first train, and continues to go to and from till the trains collide. What is the total distance traveled by the bird? Very nice question this is. So we will try to find the solutions. Okay. So okay, here we go. We have two trains A and B moving in opposite direction with the speed of 70 kilometer and 50 kilometers per hour respectively. Means this is moving with the 70 kilometers per hour, this is moving with the 50 kilometers per hour. Dimensions are same, so no, we don't have to take of that. Now these are separated by 480 kilometers distance. Okay, a bird sitting on the train A, suppose bird is sitting on the train A, is moving, it is this bird is moving with 100 kilometers per hour and moving the, making the tooth and fruit motion. So he's going till the train B and coming back to the train A. So as it moves to the train B, the train A also moves in the direction, in this direction, in the in forward direction. So so bird will touch to the train A and comes back to the train A. Suppose the train A is here and it will go again to the train B. Train B is moving in this direction, so it will come somewhere here. Okay, it will touch the train B and comes back to the train A. Train A will be moving in this direction. Then the bird will touch the train A here and then will go back again. Train B suppose is here now and it will move till the both the trains collide. A and B here collide and it will stop when the two trains collide. So we have to find the total distance traveled by the bird. Okay, distance traveled we have to find by the bird. So in order to find the distance traveled by the bird, we will use the traditional formula, that is speed is equals to distance divided by time. Okay, so what we know here is the distance we don't know, we want to calculate the distance. Okay, we don't know the time, we know the, but we know the uh, speed of the bird, that is 100 kilometers per hour. If we somehow able to find this time, we are able to find the distance. Okay, so it is also mentioned in the question that the time of collision is equal to the time for which the bird flies. Okay, so here we use the relative speed or relative concept, that is the first of all the concept is like, if the two objects suppose A and B are moving in the same direction, then the speed, relative speed, is SA minus SB. We will always take the mod because speed is never negative. Okay, first condition. Second condition, if both are moving in the opposite direction, suppose A is moving in the direction, B is moving in this direction, so here the speed will be added. You can also feel these things in. Okay, so we have, so this is the second condition and that is applicable here. The train A is moving in the direction this and train B is moving in this direction. In order to find the time of collision, what we will do, we will take, we also have the distance separated between the two trains. So we have the time is equals to distance divided by speed. Speed is relative speed here. Okay, So we have the relative speed of the two, that is distance we have 480 from here. ठीक. Speed is moving, these two trains A and B both have the opposite direction, so speeds will be added. 70 plus 50 is equals to time of collision. Okay, so A will come 480 divided by 120, that is TC is equal to 4 hours. Okay, now we have to find the time of the distance by the traveled by the bird. We also know that TC is equals to TB. Okay, so we are almost done. So we can do like this. We have now now we can calculate the distance traveled by the bird. That is TD is equals to distance traveled by the bird is equals to time for which the bird flies into the speed of the bird. Okay, so we have 4 hours multiplied by 100 kilometers per hour. This is given in the question. Okay. So the distance traveled by the bird is 4 into 100, that is 400 kilometers. This is the final answer what we want. 400 kilometers. Option is B, 400 kilometers. Thank you.